Hey everyone, it's Barry here. Welcome to my Virgin Kitchen. I hope you are well. Today, as determined by a Twitter poll, we are making some pulled pork burgers, but using jackfruit. Yes, it's another video for my vegan/veggie playlist. So if you want some more ideas, there's a link up here and down below in the video. So get some inspiration. But this is a packet of jackfruit. You can get it in the supermarkets in brine and water and all stuff, sometimes in tins. This is just one packet that I've got here. Original jackfruit pieces sterilized. And it's basically, I've never even tried it before. I know it comes from like a really super crazy spiky fruit, a little bit looking like a durian, but the texture of the fruit can resemble meat and particularly pulled pork. You can kind of see it a little bit in the packet there anyway, what it's like. So I'm actually really intrigued for this. So we'll make our vegan pulled pork burger with homemade coleslaw and barbecue sauce too. Let's get cracking into the coleslaw first. Remember, all the ingredients are on myvirginkitchen.com, which is actually just about to be revamped. Oh, and in the month of September, I am mulling over giving you guys control of the channel. Basically, what determined whatever request the recipe is in the comments, bearing in mind that I can actually physically do it, I will do the most voted one. So let me know what you think of that. It could be quite fun. Our vegan coleslaw is going to have olive oil in it and some mustard for some tang. We've got some carrots, white cabbage, red cabbage, and parsley. So I'm just going to finely chop them up. We're going to probably need about a quarter of the cabbage, and I'm going to julienne the carrots. All right, so if you just sort of blend it all together with your fingers, already we've got like 4 really cool, strong, vibrant colors: the purple, the white, the orange, and the green. I'm gonna push all of this into a mixing bowl. All right, like that. Nice, super vibrant color. If there's any bits of cabbage, you know, it should just fall apart anyway. You can just sort of break it up with your fingers, but we're now gonna really flavor this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons, a bit more for luck, apple cider vinegar. I saw that on a TV show the other day. Someone actually did that and I was like, yeah, I want to try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's worked. Bit of salt, bit of pepper. I don't trust myself with this one. This is 8 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So it's like a mayo-free coleslaw. You can always get the vegan mayo if you want to use that. And I wanted to use whole grain mustard, but we don't have any in the house. So we've got some Dijon. This is 4 teaspoons of that. Obviously tweak it to your liking, but it's going to give it a nice little tang. And then we just take our wooden spoon and basically lubricate all those vegetables. Get the oil and the mustard all covering it and the vinegar soaking in there. It's kind of sort of partially pickling it. It's going to be a real nice contrast to the tangy barbecue sauce. I really like those colors. I don't know why. Nice. So I'm going to just keep this in the fridge for the time being. I said, whilst coleslaw's in the fridge, let's have a look at the jackfruit. Apparently it can come quite chunky in pieces like this. Let's get it in this dish. Okay, I just smelt it, and I don't know why, but I'm envisaging that it's going to smell like cat food, but it doesn't. This is actual jackfruit. And I've seen like other recipes online where people use this to make like imitation crab cakes and things like that. You can see with that real texture in there. I don't know what that is. I feel it'd be more authentic if I do try and rip it like this. It is a little butch actually, yeah. Forks don't really work, so let's try the masher. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's actually working really, really well. And it kind of reminds me a bit more of like tuna or something like that. All right, so let's make the barbecue sauce. This is 400 grams of ketchup, a little shimmy of smoked paprika. I love paprika. Say a shimmy, like a teaspoon. This is some sriracha, so about 2 shots of that. Bit of heat. This is some special Worcester sauce that I bought. Very nice. And 1, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Just give it a little whisk together. All right, and then we'll just warm it up. Oh, and in other news, our jackfruit, I totally found another packet that I bought last week that I forgot about. So we've got loads now. Bit of olive oil again. And I'm gonna push in our jackfruit. I'm genuinely excited for this. Everyone raves about how authentic it tastes. So here we go. We just need to cook it off first. So I'm going to keep stirring this and warming it through. And in fact, with the spatula, as I'm warming it, you can break down any bigger chunks still as well. And then we'll warm up the barbecue sauce as well. Awesome. This is going well. So just while that is warming through, if you're not already following me on Instagram at My Virgin Kitchen, I do loads of behind the scenes stories and take cool pictures like this. Thank you to Yavanka.a, who's my latest follower. Cheers then. All right, beautiful. I've got to say right now, it is starting to smell a little more fruity than anything, but our warmed up barbecue sauce is now going to drench it. All right, and hopefully, as we stir this through and warm it up together for another couple of minutes, this would be great in the slow cooker as well. You can see how, to me, that is starting all of a sudden to look like pulled pork. So let's really warm it, as I say, bring those flavors together, and we're pretty much done. All right, so this is nice and warm through now. Visually, right now, I am actually very convinced. But what's it going to taste like? Oh my gosh. Yes. You gotta say, that looks pretty darn realistic. Just piling that on there. Oh my gosh. That coleslaw is going right on there. Ah. Check that out, that's huge. And if I just sit the lid down on top gently like that. Oh, shiver me timbers. Look at this beast. I am so happy with that. Obviously, it all comes down to taste. Remember, this is going to be a quite a strong kick barbecue sauce. You can omit the sriracha or just use a store-bought one if you want. It's going to be messy. Oh, wow. Give me a minute. I've got to be honest, despite the sensation of a small splodge of that just falling on my leg, it was actually phenomenally good. The texture is there, the taste, you can't even tell that is not pork. I think it's the flavor in the coleslaw as well as the sauce that just merges together, that classic combo. Genuinely, I think you should try this. If you have a bit like that individually, you can actually taste the texture difference a little bit more. It's a little bit softer, which to me isn't a bad thing, but you still get that chewiness. I'm not trying to make you guys become vegan or vegetarian. I'm not myself either, but I'm just trying to open my eyes to try new food, and I hope this playlist does inspire you to give it a go. If you do, as always, no matter what recipe it is, send me a picture at My Virgin Kitchen. Let me know how you get on, and I'll see you again next time. Boom.